Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to add Google conversion code to Convertkit. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand better, and this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first one is just simply go ahead and set up a Google Analytics property. So just simply log in into your Google Analytics account and just simply create a property for your app. And guys, note the measure ID for your property. Now, next one is just simply create a custom URL for tracking. So just simply use Google Campaign URL Builder so you can add a UTM parameters to your URLs. And after that, just simply go ahead and test the setup in Google Tag Manager. So in Google Tag Manager, guys, just simply click on preview. And after that, just simply enter the URL of the page with the Convertkit form. And from there, just simply go ahead and click on connect. And from there, just simply enter the email address in the Convertkit form and submit it. From there, just simply go to Google Tag Manager preview mode and just simply click the Convertkit submission event in the left side bar. And from there, just simply check the tags fired section for the GA4 event tag. So just simply go to GA4, go to configure, and go for debug view. From there, just simply check for the form submission event and just simply publish the configuration live. So guys, another information is that you can also connect ConvertKit and Google Analytics using N8N. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. And if you do, leave a like. And thanks for watching.